This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this how-to tutorial video I will show you how to add a branding watermark onto your channel. So without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you have to do is go to your channel, go right to the top, go to Creator Studio, and now go to Channel, go to Branding, click on Add a Watermark, and then for the best result, use transparency and just one color. Choose a file. So we can go to Documents, QuickTime. We are searching for a folder called QuickTime. Cute. There it is. Click on this, and here is the actual logo that I created. So now go to Save your uploaded watermark. Click on Save. So that is my watermark, and now we can go to Video Manager, go to this video, just click on Edit, click on the video itself, and so towards the end of the video there is the branding watermark. Okay, minimize this. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for now.